Hey guys, this is Surasoni and you are watching ChemStar. So friends, once again, welcome back on ChemStar. So friends, in today's session, I am going to explain you how to solve a numerical based on heat exchange principle. Along with the numerical, I will also let you know what is heat exchange principle and how it works. What are the formula which are going to helpful for solving such examples. So for all these tricks and tips, keep watching till the end of video, and if you like this video, please subscribe ChemStar for more such wonderful videos. So let's start for the today's session. So friends, as I said, in today's session we are going to learn a numerical based on heat exchange. So let's see what is the numerical first. So numerical is when water of mass 70 gram and temperature 50 degree is added to water of mass 30 gram and the maximum temperature of the mixture is found to be 41 degrees Celsius. Find the temperature of water of a mass 30 gram before hot water was added to it. So basically in this question we have asked that if we have two different temperature of water, that is one water is one type of water has a quantity 70 gram and temperature 50 gram, and the other type of water has a quantity 30 gram, but we don't know the temperature of it. We had added the 70 gram hot 50 degrees Celsius water into the 30 gram, and now the temperature of the final mixture of water has got as 41 degrees Celsius. So we need to find out the temperature of cold water, that means temperature of 30 gram water in which we had added the 70 gram 50 degrees Celsius water. So for such questions what we can do is, first of all we will write what we have given in the question. So we have given mass 1, that means quantity 1 of water is 70 gram, and this quantity of water carries the temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, and the second quantity of water we have given is 30 gram, and we don't know the temperature of this water, and we need to find out the temperature of this water for this particular question. All right, and we have given the final temperature, that means temperature of mixture after mixing two waters, which is 41 degrees Celsius. So let's see how we can find out the answer of such questions. So according to the principle of heat exchange, what the principle of heat exchange says is, if we are adding hot water into the cold water, the amount of heat passed from the hot water is equals to the cold water. So basically we can say heat lost by hot water is equals to heat gained by the cold water. So it is the basic principle of heat exchange. All right, so principle of heat exchange says heat lost by hot water is nothing but heat gained by the cold water. That means the amount of heat will lose by the hot water is equals to the amount of heat gained by the cold water, because we know the law of thermodynamic, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be converted into one form to another form. All right, so here now let's see what is the formula for finding out the answer of such questions. So we have formula here, m1c into t1 minus t equals to m2c into t minus t2. So here we can see both side of equal we are getting c, so c will get cancelled here itself, and what we will get is, after multiplication of m1 inside the bracket, we will get m1 t1 minus m1 t equals to m2 t minus m2 t2. So once we will rearrange the formula as per our requirement, whatever we need to find out, we will get as t2. So here we need to find out the answer of t2. So we will rearrange this in such a way that t2 equals to m1 plus m2 into t minus m1 t1 by m2. So once we will substitute the value of m1 m2 t and t1, we will like this, we will get the answer like this. So 70 plus 30 will becomes 100 into 41 minus 70 into 50 divided by 30. So after solving this, we will get 410 minus 350 by 3, and after calculation we will get 60 by 3 and 3 2 ja 60. So we will get 20. So here we will get answer as 20 degrees Celsius. That means second temperature will be 20 degrees Celsius. Alright. So when we mix 70 gram of water which has a temperature of 50 degrees Celsius in the 30 gram normal water, so that means this 30 gram of water temperature was this water carries the temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So in this particular question we need to find out the temperature of this 30 gram water. So we had find out the answer of this water as 20 degrees Celsius. So I hope friends you had understood the whole concept. So thank you very much for watching this video till end. Thanks again. Keep watching, keep learning.